Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Bolt EV. The Chevrolet Bolt EV has a beautifully sculpted exterior, along with its impressive performance, spacious interior, and advanced technologies. It has completely reinvented what an electric car can be. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, front-wheel drive, heat ducts, luggage rack, daytime running lamps, steering wheel controls, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, cargo cover. Come see the car for yourself.